Have you ever wondered how aloe vera can boost your eyesight? This miracle plant is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, helps regulate blood sugar, aids tissue recovery, and protects the delicate membranes of your eyes. Aloe vera is also effective in treating cataracts and strengthening the cornea. Intrigued? Stay tuned to learn how you can grow and use this amazing plant for better eye health. How to grow and use aloe vera for better eyesight. Planting aloe vera. Let's start with how you can grow aloe vera at home. Choosing the right pot and soil. Use a well-draining potting mix, ideally one made for succulents. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Planting. Place the aloe vera plant in the pot, ensuring the roots are covered with soil. Water the plant lightly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Sunlight. Aloe vera thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Place it near a sunny window. Watering. Water the plant every 3 weeks, increasing frequency during the summer and reducing it in winter. Maintenance. Remove any dead or damaged leaves to encourage healthy growth. Harvesting aloe vera. Now, let's talk about how to harvest and prepare aloe vera gel for eye health recipes. Cutting the leaves. Select large or medium-sized leaves, cutting them close to the base. Let the leaves sit for about 10 days before use. Extracting the gel, cut off the pointy tip and jagged edges of the leaves. Slice the leaf open to reveal the thick, fleshy gel. Scoop out the gel and gather it into a bowl. Blend the gel until smooth. Storing the gel. Store the gel in a glass container in the fridge for up to a week. Freeze the gel or add natural preservatives if you want to keep it longer. Bonus tips. Eye health recipe. Aloe vera is powerful on its own, but let's spice it up with a special recipe to boost your eye health even more. Ingredients: 100 ml aloe vera gel, 1 pound of ground walnuts, 300 ml of pure honey, freshly squeezed juice from 4 lemons. Instructions: blend all the ingredients until smooth. Take 1 spoonful of this mixture 3 times a day, 30 minutes before meals. Follow this regimen for 1 month with a 2-week break between treatments. Preparing aloe vera gel might seem like a lot of work, but the benefits for your eyesight make it worthwhile. Within the first month, you'll notice a rejuvenating effect on your eyes. So get planting and start enjoying the benefits of aloe vera for better eyesight. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy gardening!